Now it's time to brief you about the HTML radio using the Bootstrap. So what is the characteristic of radio button? Uh, if you have many options and you represent those options using the radio buttons, so only one option is selected out of all options. For example, we have two options, so we can select only one option. Like we have two options, male and female, so a person can be only male or female, or can be other. So three options, so not one person cannot be fit into both male and female. So let's come to see the code. Okay, so this is the code. We have two divs. One is for the one radio button and another is for second. First come input and then soon label. Okay, you can see first come button and then the label. So when we click label, so still it marks. Either we click the button directly or label, so it is marked. So this means these label and input are connected. How? So first come to this class. So we define the form check and form check input. So when you are applying the Bootstrap property and you have linked the Bootstrap framework, so you must have to use form check for form check class for the div and form check input. Okay, for this input, and type is obviously a radio. Name is so this is name and name of both radio button are taken as same. So this means these two are belong to same radio button group. And what is the advantage? Advantage is that only one out of the group is selected. So if we remove the name, so there will be no effect on visibility, but the problem will be that both the options, because this is now in a group of Lex radio default and this is out of group, so both options will be selected. We will not save it. So we remove this also. I forgot. Now you can see both are selected. So this is wrong concept. So you must have to assign it to the same group name. And then ID, obviously ID should be unique. Okay, class name is same and that should be of your belong to the Bootstrap library, and this is your own, so you can change it. Okay, you can AB, you say AB, ABC, and this should be unique, and this should be for this ABC. This should be for AB. So why ID is taken? Just for linking these two. This label is for this input and this is for this input. That's why when we come, okay, what happened? I think we take, because already CSS property were applied to the previous example, it will be okay. Okay, so when we click this, you see when we click the label, the radio button active. So if we remove this ID, we remove this, and we also remove this. So if we refresh, when we click, the radio button is not selected. But if we click this, it's selected because this we have here included the for this ABC, and here we have deleted. One more thing, checked. Checked means that by default when browser refresh, so which option? This one is automatically checked. So if we remove this, you can see still you can select one option, but when we refresh, none of is by default checked. So this was all about the Bootstrap radio. Thank you so much.